Is your BMW 3 Series key fob not working? The most frequent culprits are a dead battery, a synchronization problem, or antenna issues. First, try the easiest fix: battery replacement. The BMW 3 Series key fob uses a CR232 battery. Pry open the fob, remove the old battery, and insert the new one, ensuring the correct polarity. If that doesn't work, it's likely a synchronization issue. You can resync the key by holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds while inside the vehicle, then pressing the start button. If problems persist, especially with remote locking, unlocking, it may be an antenna receiver fault that would likely require professional intervention. If battery and resyncing don't solve the problem, there may be an antenna issue preventing fob detection. The keyless entry antenna is usually located in the trunk or under the dashboard. Diagnosis often requires a multimeter or a dealer scan. Recent BMW models receive over-the-air software updates that address connectivity issues. Check for the latest updates via iDrive. Looking ahead, BMW is integrating digital keys via NFC and smartphone apps, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Future models may even feature biometric authentication, like fingerprint or facial recognition. These trends will hopefully reduce key fob failures in the long run.